Hi everyone, my name is Alexandria Corbett, and one of the assets that I bring to this class is I actively work as a social worker. So even though I'm not licensed, I work in kind of a social worker capacity. I work for Children's Services in my county here in Cincinnati, Ohio. So we're the third largest county in Ohio, and we have a wide range of issues going on here. So entering child welfare, I don't think anything really prepares you for child welfare and all of the things that you're going to encounter. So not only have I worked with, abused and neglected children, but I've worked with mainly parents and all of the issues that come with that. So mental health, substance use, childhood trauma, you name it, I've probably ran into it at some point in time. So I think that makes me really well versed in not only talking about, what I do know about child welfare, but also what I've come across in the parents and the children that I work with. Another asset that I feel I bring to this class is I was not a social work bachelor's, so I was criminology sociology for my undergrad. And I think that's really cool because now I work in a social work capacity and I'm obviously in class to be a social work master's, but at the same time, I bring a different aspect from the 4 years that I took in sociology. So I know a lot of different theories and kind of have learned kind of a different aspect of basically the same material, but a little bit different way of looking at it. And another, I would say the final asset that I bring to this class is just my ability to understand. So being in child welfare, being in the field, I feel like I've seen it all. I know I haven't seen it all, but I feel like I've seen it all. And I have the ability to kind of understand where everybody is coming from because you can't judge a book by its cover and you can't take things for face values until you've put yourself in their shoes and you've understood kind of where they come from. You're no one's in a position to judge anybody. And at the same time, I take that as my classmates as well. I'm very understanding when it comes to classmates, work schedules, families. I do work full time and go to school and have a family, so I completely understand that this is hard. Trying to do everything full time and go to school to get your master's in social work is hard. So I think those are the three things that I bring to the table, and I look forward to seeing and talking to you guys all in class.